Hello, spiritual learners. This is a quick video to provide you a checklist and some tips for acing your final project that's going to be due this Sunday, October 16th. First and foremost, you want to make sure that you are addressing all of the writing prompts that are listed in the guidelines and expectations for the assignment. There are two formats you can choose from for your final project, a reflection paper or PowerPoint. You want to proofread, of course, your final project. I recommend that you read it out loud. That's the best way to catch any grammar or spelling errors. And be sure that you are citing all of your sources in the body of your paper. If you're not doing that, that is considered plagiarism. You should also have a reference page at the end of your paper that lists any references that you're using. Here are the guidelines for the final project. I recommend that you make each of these bold critical elements a header for your paper or presentation so that you make sure that you are covering all of the elements. It should have clarity, meaning that it should be clear where I'm able to identify, the two major theories, concepts that you're applying from your field of study to your internship. So that's why you want to use the headers as you're putting together your final project. We've got more critical elements listed here. So do that, because this is where students often will lose points when they're missing several of the critical elements. Say they don't discuss gaps, they don't share any questions or action steps that they're planning to integrate moving forward. And here is a rubric. You can see the rubric online as well. So we already talked about the headers. Be sure not to self-plagiarize. This should be an original assignment for you. It shouldn't be that you're just copying a discussion from a previous week. It needs to have critical thinking. It needs to focus on quality over quantity. So we want to make sure that you are really thinking about this experience and how it has been meaningful for you throughout the session. So as always, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. Take care.